Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, cheese and chicken enchiladas. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Starting to saute some shallot and garlic. I add the diced chicken. I add the seasonings. The chicken is ready. Here's the build station for the enchiladas. The very first layer of green sauce in the bottom of the pan. Rolling the first enchilada. Here's all the enchiladas in the pan. Covered with green sauce. And cheese and cilantro. Fresh out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.